In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set multiple take profits in Tradingview using the Super Charts feature. This is a great strategy if you want to secure partial profits at different price levels. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and sign into your account. If you don't have one, just click Join for free and follow the quick setup process. Next, head to the Products section at the top menu. Hover over it and you'll see a list. This is where Tradingview's core features are located. Then select Super Charts to launch the full chart interface where you can perform your trading analysis and place trades. Once you're in Super Charts, right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Buy from the context menu. This will open a trade setup panel. After that, you can adjust your take profit TP level directly in the trade panel. If you want more control, right-click the trade and select Edit Project Order to modify the TP settings with precision. Set your desired take profit level, then click Buy to confirm the order. Now if you want to set multiple take profits, simply repeat the process with smaller trade sizes and different TP levels. And that's how you set multiple take profits in Tradingview. It's a smart way to lock in profits while staying in the trade. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!